Maayong adlaw sa tanan. I'm Congressman Khalid Quibran sa Dimaporo, Congressman of the 1st District of Lanao del Norte, and I just want to take time to say congratulations to Governor Angging Quibran sa Dimaporo, the Sangguniang Palalawigan led by Vice Governor Alan Lim, and all of the department heads and members of the TG-LDN family that has made this 65th Araw ng Lanao del Norte more special and more memorable than one could ever imagine. I'd like to take time to thank everybody that made this a very successful, especially the support of the municipal mayors in the 1st District and in the 2nd District. Daghang salamat sa iyong pagsuporta sa ating Governor, Angging Quibran sa Dimaporo. It's always nice to know na when we need your help to make something successful, you're always there for our family and our leadership. So daghang salamat mga mayors, mga barangay captains, and all of the different line agencies that made Lanao del Norte's araws as special and as memorable as possible. Once again, happy 65th Araw ng Lanao del Norte!